Yes, yesterday the topic was about this part of the words of the Quran that do not depreciate the things of the people. And that's what's happening today. Not like before that you can give the weighing scale and then you can give less weight, or when you measure the clothes, you can give less clothes. Today is the money being reduced by the people's techniques in the world with the fraud. That the money you have today, as long as you grow up, you're getting older, your money is going to be destroyed. It is going to be diminished. It's going to be devalued. And you do nothing, but you earn very hardly the money. You keep it, this money, and the time will come, this money will lose the value. Just last year, all the money in the world, they devalued for 40%. Why? Because the gold become 40% expensive in the world in last 1 year. So it means that you lost the value of 40% of your money in 1 year. And it is big amount because it is like almost 50%. Because when you have 100,000, after 1 year you lost 40,000 because the gold become 40% expensive since last year. And it's going on. That's why I was suggesting that if the people want to save money, if you want to save money, keep money for our children, for our future of our children, then keep it in the gold, because no one can manipulate the gold. But this paper money is being manipulated by the people who control the world today, and they can make people's money, reduce their money, diminish their money, and eventually they can finish this money. Like what happened in Zimbabwe or many other countries, is keep this process. If anybody speak against the system, then that system will destroy, and that's the system of Dajjal, which is how the Dajjal is going to control the world with the money. This is one of the things that how can Dajjal can control the paper money is one of the instrument of the Dajjal. And people in the world are being fooled, and that we are part of the system, and people are keep on making money, and they keep their money. And they even don't know that the money they put in the bank is every day is become devalued, and is going to be finish the value 10%, 20%, 30%. After 20, 30 years, your money value will be only 10%. And some countries where the money becomes zero also. So that's how people are being fooled. There are different examples I was giving also, like when you sell the fruits, you give more than the weight to make sure you are not giving the less, or you can measure, give 10, 20 centimeters extra to make sure that you are giving the proper weight. Also, people are deceiving in everything now. Our agriculture products being corrupted, you are not getting the really good healthy food. Or example, there are lots of people when they have a chicken, just to increase the weight, they inject the water in the chicken. So chicken become heavy, and they cheat people through that way. So the world have a lot of deception today. We as the believers in Allah, we learn and we teach people to be honest, because this life is temporary life. The day of judgment will be 50,000 years. And if you compare this life of this world, compared to the day of judgment, which is 50,000 years, equivalent to our timing, this life is only 3 minutes compared to the day of judgment. This life is just 3 minutes only. We are living here for 3 minutes compared to our next life, the first day, the day of judgment. So what is the value of this life, and how much money you can earn with the cheating people? But on the day of judgment, you will answer this. And that will be the day which is 50,000 years. If you compare this, our life, it's only just 3 minutes. We are here in this world only for 3 minutes compared to our next life, first day, which is the day of judgment. And after that, the life will never finish for millions of years. So may Allah guide us, may Allah forgive us, may Allah